Hi everyone, hello, this is Satrajit Dutta here, and this is my first travel blog. This is my second wildlife photography trip to Manglajodi, which is in Odisha, and it is a wetland situated nearer to the Bay of Bengal and most probably very close to the Chilika lake. You might know it, it's a very famous lake in Odisha, and so I will be traveling from Durgapur as all my group members will be traveling from Kolkata, and this was an unplanned trip for me because I just get into the group by hook or crook some way. And but unfortunately I didn't got the train tickets from Howrah stations, and so I have to travel there from Durgapur here by bus. Okay, and I will be meeting them directly at Manglajodi. Well, I hope the journey will be good. The trip is about my bird photography trip. Well, Mangalajodi is a wetland. Okay, there are many type of migratory birds come every year, and over 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs birds come, and the species count may lead up to 300 to 400 species of birds every year. And you know what, it's a heaven on earth for birders especially, and mostly when you like action and drama, Mangalajodi is full of actions. And the most important thing that always attracts me towards it is the availability of species and the bird behavior there. You can find there many birds roaming around you only, many wild birds which you might not get here in cities. And even if you get, they don't allow you to come closer to you so that you can click pictures of them. But to me or to any bird lover, Mangalajodi is the perfect place to click wild birds from close quarters. I'm very much excited for this trip, and my packings are also done. So let's see what I can get and I can show you in this vlog. Here is my bag, and so you can see my packings are done. Here is my beast, Nikon D7000 with the 200-500 lens, and I have also taken an extra camera body. It's D3300, my old body, and an extra battery pack. Let me show you the extra battery. Here is the extra battery with the charger, and I have taken some small lenses too, such as my 1855 basic lens, which I mainly use for landscape, and this is my 50mm prime. I don't know I will get any portraits to click on what, but it's all done. Hi guys, I'm ready and it's time to leave now. My father is waiting outside. So my bus has arrived. Hello guys, I am inside the bus. See, there are sleepers also. The bus is late too. It's 5:54. Let's see when do I reach. Hello guys, good morning. Well, I have reached Mangalajodi, but not yet Mangalajodi. Uh, the bus took a turn from the Chandpur, and so I have to walk a few distance to the mode of Mangalajodi. Well, when you travel alone, life teaches you so many things, and I am facing this too. It's 6:10, and still the light is not available totally. It's too much foggy outside. At last I got the auto. The local people are too helpful here. Well, I got lift from a person in a bike, and then one person helped me to hire the auto. Well, it's good. I have joined my team and have started my journey towards Manglajodi. As you can see, the red road on the banks of Manglajodi. So we are at the spot, as you can see. Really? We will take our boat and we will start exploring Manglajodi. So we have started our journey on this day one, and you can see around that it's a marshy place with very less amount of water here, and I just love this place a lot. In the coming part of this video, you will get to see the photographs and videos of the birds I have clicked. As you can see, we are three in the boat, and here is our boatman with the guide, and this is Orgoda. We'll talk about the species I got and the photographs I made. So this one is the common snipe. It is very shy in nature and has a huge agility of camouflage. And there goes the Bylands crake, a very shy bird, and also this is the ruby-breasted crake and the infamous yellow bittern, very shy in nature. Well, you can see that the two black-winged seals are showing some mating behavior. Both are indicating something. Here's the image I made, and this is the egret catching a fish. And there goes the grey-headed swampen. It generally eats small things from the mud. It has a very colorful body. And there is another colorful beauty, the glossy ibis. Duck species includes the northern pintail duck and there is the beautiful ruddy shell duck. You can see it's bathing. Here is the image, and you can see the spot-billed duck too, along with the comb duck or the knob-billed duck and gargini, and a very famous bird, the northern shoveler, and the shy ducks, gadwall. And this one is the common teal. So you can see here, these are the packs of the bird named ruff. They are huge in number, and here is the image I made while photographing them. And this is the black-headed gull. Here comes the Pacific golden plover, and these are the swallow species. This is the creek-throated swallow, and this is the barn swallow. They gradually sit on the top of bamboos like this. The first half of birding has ended. We have got off our boats and are searching for some waders around here. Found the plaintive cuckoo and the blue throat here. Very nice birds, and you can see around there are wetlands around me, and birds are still wading around us, including some migratory ducks. But I must say that the numbers of birds have been decreased this year, probably because I think the migration has been done much earlier, and that's why there is less number of birds in January. Let's see if I could get some great action shots in the afternoon session. Thank you. Here is the image of the blue throat that I made while searching for it, and this is the plaintive cuckoo in its habitat. And I also found a white-throated kingfisher with a fish on its beak. We have started our afternoon session of birding. We are on the other side now. In this session, we are gradually searching for some action shots and some dramatic experience in wild. Let's see what I can get now. Here do I get something. This is the Asian open-bill stock fighting with each other. And you can see these are the whisker terns all around me, and they are fishing in this way, as you can see in the video. One by one, they are coming down and picking up fishes. Here is the image I made, and this one is my favorite. Here is a wonderful moment for me. A black-headed ibis killing a snake for feasting on it. As you can see, it is picking up and throwing it down, fighting with it. And then I get a purple heron with a big fish. And here is a splash from the fish. So, day 1 ends for me here. And the sun is going down. And it is the last moment before the sunset. And while going back home, I made an image close to my heart. An egret in golden hour. So we are on our way home. The day ended. Day 1 of Odisha ended at Manglajodi. Let's see where we can go tomorrow. But I expected a bit more of species from here, but created some good contents of known species, and no new species collected yet in this trip. Well, let's see. Hello guys, good morning everyone. Today is the day 2 of this Mangalajodi bird photography trip, and today we will go to Chilika Lake. And the particular spot, they call it Nalvan, and it's already, you can see it's 5 in the morning, and we have to start by 5:10 to 5:15 from here, and we will reach Nalvan by within 3 hours to 3.5 hours. It takes a long time. The exact location, and let's see what happens. Best of luck. We have started our journey from Manglajodi, and we will be reaching Chilka by 10 or 10:30 because it's 6 past 10. Let's see what happens. But it's too much cold here. So we have come a few way across, and now we are in the middle of Lake Chilka, which is the largest lake in India. And you can see Everywhere there is water and water, and no land around us. I like the ambience of this place a lot. We are close to Nalban Bird Sanctuary now, and we will be reaching soon. We have reached Nalban. As you can see, the water level is very less. Let's see what we get here. So this was the first glimpse of the greater flamingos in my life. Here is the first image I made of it, and I was just dumbstruck watching them. They are so large in number and they are so beautiful. I just can't explain. This might be one of the best moments of wildlife photography in my life. When they fly in flocks, it's like flying rainbows around me. I just can't express my feeling. And I was lucky enough to get this pair of greater flamingos too close. They are a lovely pair. I just love them. You can also find the brown-headed gull here too, and the Brahminy kites are very large in number here. So after an exciting day, we are now our way back home. Hello guys, the day ends here today. Now we are off the boat in the ghats of Manglajodi, and it was a very tough day for me. Actually, 4 hours up down in boat towards the middle of the Chilika lake, and then boarding for almost 2.5 hours or 3 hours, and then we returned back. We had lunch in the boat. They cooked food for us there only, and it was a lovely time ahead. Tomorrow we are moving up to Vetnai. There is a Blackbuck sanctuary there. Also some surprises waiting for me to rather than the Blackbucks and the other deers. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Till then, thank you and bye. So good morning everyone. We have started our journey towards Vetnai, and today is the day 3 and the last day of my trip. And we are moving to Vetnai by a car. We are 7 in the car with the driver. This is Orgoda and Abhijitda, and I hope we are going to have an exciting day today. Hello everyone, we have stepped into a very secret location where we will shoot Brahminy kite catching fishes. There is the third light people. And you can see our team is moving on. So let's go. See, we are going barefooted. We have opened our shoes because we are going to shoot in the water. It's a nice place, no? This place doesn't look so. You can see a kite flying over us. Guys, you can see how many of them are there. The sky is full of Brahminy kites, and here are they. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see it? Did you see it? So many Brahminy kites all together. These Brahminy kites, being raptor, are not shy at all. They can jump over your face for food. They fight for food in this place here at Odisha. I was just dumbstruck when I was able to capture this type of images. It was a great experience to hear photographing Brahminy kites in the Bada Nadi, as explained by our guide here. As I have shown you, there are plenty of Brahminy kites still flying over my head. You can see. So whenever you come to Mangalajodi, always make a deal or make a plan to come here. I don't know, we will be moving somewhere from here too. Let's see. So we are at the Vetnai where we are getting blackbucks. Everyone is busy clicking blackbucks. You can see there are blackbucks there. This is the image of the male blackbuck that I clicked there, and this is the female with the kid. We also photographed some birds while coming home. This is the Indian roller, and we were lucky enough to get this Indian grey hornbill. Well, this is the second hornbill species in my album or collection, you can say. First was the Rufous neck hornbill, and now this is the Indian grey hornbill. And all credit goes to Ramesh ji, our guide. So my trip ends here, and it has been a wonderful time for all these 3 days. I have collected some new content, lifers and species, and in the end I am happy. Hello guys, it's a great day, and in the end I would like to say that it was a really wonderful trip for me. Lots of lifers and lots of memories too. Now I am moving up to Biju Patnaik airport for the flight to Kolkata. Let's see. Hello guys, I thought I was late, but I'm fine with it. All the security checks done, and now it's time for the flight. I hope the gates are open now too. Friends, I have reached Damdam airport, and I am finishing this vlog here. Till then, goodbye. Special thanks to Bijay Adhikari for arranging such an excellent trip, and you can follow me on Instagram at the man with dirty hands and on Facebook